This is Alexander and welcome to the nanoLuka channel. Today we are going to unbox another phone. Again, it's a Xiaomi, but this time it's Redmi Note 9. Let's open it up and see what's inside. In the end, let's check out the specs. Camera, processor, operating system, memory, RAM and internal, display resolution, Gorilla Glass, battery capacity, 3 amps charger. Type-C connector. Dimensions: height, width and thickness. The phone weighs about 200 grams. The package contents we've seen, although there was no jack tool for the SIM card slot. This was the unboxing video of Redmi Note 9 by Xiaomi. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please do click subscribe to support the development of nanoboards, the open source analog electronics development kit. Of course, there are other unboxing videos, feel free to check them out as well. Thanks to all our patrons and a special thank you to our Iron Battalion member Ognjen Vidovic.